In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to hard reset your AirPods using an Android phone. So the first thing you need to do is make sure the AirPods are connected to the Android phone. So go to your Android phone's Bluetooth settings. Make sure it's on. Go ahead and pair new device. And once they're detected, connect. So once they're connected, what you want to do is just open the case and then long press on the button on the AirPods case until they start blinking red. Okay, so just next to your Android phone, just press and hold that button. You should see them go in pairing mode. Just keep holding until that light blinks red. There you go. See the red light on the AirPods case? That means they've been factory reset. So now when you try to connect again, it's going to ask you to pair again. And that means the factory reset was successful. So you might want to go to the Bluetooth settings and repair afresh. There you go. It even reset the name. Just tap on pair. You can see it now says connected and active. That is basically how to hard reset AirPods using your Android phone. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.